On occasion, I've used my drill press here as an arbor press, and sometimes I've banged on it. There is the chance that the table has gotten itself a little bit crooked. Just want to check because I want those axle shafts that are going through those wheels to be as perpendicular as possible. Now I do have a brad point bit, but I think I've mentioned this before, that if you have a pilot hole, brad point bits do not work too good unless the pilot hole is extremely small. But in this one, the pilot hole is the same diameter as that nail we were using for the last 3 weeks. And I want to enlarge it now to 3/8. And what happens is that if the pilot hole is really, unless it's really small, it can slightly grab one way or the other and it will kind of go off on you. Whereas this kind of bit, it sort of self-centers. At least that's my experience. Not always, but usually. Could be worse. Yeah, I'm kind of pleased I didn't get too much tear out on the other side. Yeah. Now when I start drilling this, it's going to look like I'm maybe coming a little bit closer to the center of the wheel than these little circles are marked, and the reason for that is because I actually am, but only maybe a 1/16 of an inch or less. Yeah, I think that's going to work out okay. Now each one of these holes is going to be the exact same distance from the center. As long as I can get it left and right, and I think it should be okay. I'll just make sure I'm right on the line. Here you can see it's pretty close to the edge. I'm going to reinforce this with CA glue.